Hey everyone, Ryan here. In this video, I'm going to cover what is SEMrush and how does it work. So if you're curious about what SEMrush can do for your online marketing, I'm going to break down the features and benefits of this powerful tool, and then we're going to have an inside look at SEMrush to see some of these features in action. So without much further ado, let's get right into the video. For those unfamiliar, SEMrush is an all-in-one platform that empowers businesses and marketers to achieve measurable results across many different aspects of online marketing, including SEO, content marketing, competitor research, PPC, and social media marketing. So whether you're a beginner looking to get started with SEO or an experienced marketer seeking to optimize your strategies, SEMrush always has something to offer. And before we dive into the details, I have to mention that SEMrush is a paid tool. However, they do offer a free trial to anyone with their plans, giving you the opportunity to explore the tool firsthand and determine if it's the right fit for your needs. I've included a link in the description below where you can sign up for the free trial. By signing up using the link, you will have access to all of the features and functionalities of SEMrush, allowing you to test drive the platform and see how it can benefit your online marketing. Moving on, let's take a look at what makes SEMrush stand out in the world of SEO. At its core, SEMrush is designed to help you optimize your website and improve your search engine rankings. One of its key features is the ability to conduct in-depth keyword research. With SEMrush, you can uncover a goldmine of low competition keywords that you can target to boost your rankings and drive targeted traffic to your website. By identifying these keywords, you can create content that resonates with your audience, and then you can outrank your competitors. Another very powerful feature of SEMrush is its website audit functionality. You can run audits on your website, and then SEMrush can identify any technical issues, on-page optimization opportunities, and of course, areas for improvement. It provides you with actionable recommendations so that you can enhance your website's performance, usability, and the search engine results. Sometimes you would be having broken links that SEMrush can help you identify, or optimize your meta tags, or improve your site's loading speed. All in all, this audit tool is a valuable asset in your SEO arsenal. Now, one of the key aspects of SEO success is understanding your competitors and learning from their strategies. And this is where I personally use SEMrush the most, as SEMrush takes competitor analysis to the complete next level. It provides you with detailed insights into your rival's online presence, and then by entering a competitor's domain into SEMrush, you can uncover the keywords that they are ranking for. Not only that, but you'll also have the backlinks that they have acquired and the content that is driving their success. And this intel on your competitors allows you to reverse engineer their strategies and then find opportunities to outrank them in the search results. And when it comes to backlinks, SEMrush is a true game changer. Backlinks are a crucial factor in determining your website's authority and search engine rankings. With SEMrush's backlink analysis features, as you can see, you can explore your competitors' backlink profiles and identify valuable link building opportunities. After that, I would study the websites that are linking to my competitors and then develop a targeted outreach to acquire high-quality backlinks for my own websites. SEMrush provides detailed information about each one of the backlinks, including the linking page's authority score, anchor text, and link type, follow or no follow. All this data empowers you to prioritize your link building and focus on the most impactful opportunities. Now, there are a lot of benefits of using SEMrush for your online marketing. By leveraging the powerful features and insights, you can significantly improve your website's visibility in the search engine results page. Higher rankings translate into increased organic traffic, which means more potential customers discovering your business online. By using this tool, you can optimize your content to target the right keywords, attract relevant audiences, and drive all the qualified leads that you want to your website. So as you can see for this demonstration, I've entered a domain in the organic research section, and from here we can dive into the competitor analysis by identifying the top competitors and examine their keyword rankings and the backlink profiles. And let's say we identify a very strong competitor. By entering their domain into SEMrush, we can uncover valuable insights. In the positions tab right here, we can see the top keywords that these competitors are using for the basketball niche. And to find the low-hanging fruit, the easiest keywords to target, we can apply filters to narrow down the results. This would then reveal a list of long-tail keywords with lower competition but still decent search volume. And by strategically targeting these keywords, we can gradually build up our own website's traffic and establish a strong foundation for growth. Moving on, let's talk about the keyword research and targeting itself, as effective keyword research is the foundation of any successful SEO strategy. And we can see that with SEMrush here, it is easier than ever. With a keyword tool, you can uncover a wealth of keyword ideas and analyze their potential. Simply enter a seed keyword related to your niche, and then you can see SEMrush generates a list of relevant keyword variations along with valuable metrics like their search volume, how hard it is to rank for this word in the keyword difficulty section, and the cost per click data. You will also be equipped with the ability to identify long-tail keywords with low competition. And these are the hidden gems that most marketers overlook, but they can be incredibly valuable for driving targeted traffic to your website. When focusing on less competitive keywords, you can gradually build up your own search engine rankings and establish your website as a relevant and authoritative resource in your niche. Additionally, the link building tool allows you to discover relevant link prospects based on your niche and the competitors. It provides you with valuable metrics like domain authority, page authority, and the social shares, and all of this would help you prioritize your outreach efforts. So in conclusion, SEMrush is a comprehensive and valuable tool for anyone serious about online marketing. And as you can see, whether you're a beginner looking to get started with SEO or a professional marketer seeking to optimize your strategies, SEMrush has something for you to offer. With its keyword research capabilities, competitor analysis features, backlink insights, and everything else that we have discovered, SEMrush empowers you to make data-driven decisions and actually achieve measurable results. Thank you for watching this video. Let us know what you think of it in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.